Hi guys, and welcome to a new pronunciation lesson with me, Maha. Today we're going to discuss the pronunciation of the letter Q. Q is very similar to K, to just any K or any C, but it's pronounced from the back of the throat. Q, Q, Q. Very easy to pronounce. Don't make a big fuss about it. Q. My students complain mainly about the Ain and the Ha, and I made two different lessons. If you didn't watch them, click in the link below. I'm leaving it to you so you can watch them. The third letter that they complain about is this one, Qa, the letter Qa. One word with the letter Qa is the word qalb, which means heart, qalb. Another word starting with the letter Qa is the word qanoon, qanoon, which means the law, the law, the qanoon, yes, the law, yeah, qanoon. Another word with the letter Qa is the adjective qadim, qadim, old, or Qareeb, Qareeb, close, something that's nearby, close, Qareeb, not Kareeb, not Ka. We're not pronouncing the letter in the front of the throat. We're pronouncing it from the back of the throat. Qa, Qadim, old, Qareeb, close, Qa. Let's try to take the Qa and move it a little bit with different vowels. Qu, for example, Qu. The city, Jerusalem, in Arabic we call it Al-Quds. Q, the letter Qa and U. Q, Quds, not Qaw, not Qaw. Q, directly the Q moved U. Q, Quds. Quds, by the way, means holy, the holiest, yeah? Quds, Al-Quds.
Another word with the Q, the Qaf.
Another word with the Qaf pronounced with an U sound is Qubba'a. Qubba'a. There's also a Ain in this word. Qubba'a, it means a hat. Yeah? A cap, a hat. Qubba'a. Qubba'a, not Kubba'a, not Ku. Ku. There's one dish, a meal that is typical Palestinian. It's called kubbi. Kubbi, that's with a normal Ka. K, Kaf, normal letter Kaf. That's a different letter. That's the same letter but pronounced from the front of the, in the mouth. Ka, ku, kubbi, kubbi, and ku, qubba'a, qubba'a, ku, ku, yeah, ku and ku. Now let's take the letter Qaf and pronounce it with the vowel I after it. For example, the word qit, qi or qi, same thing. Qit, qit means cat. Yeah, we're taking the Qaf and we're moving it I. Qi, qit, qit, that's cat. Qissa, qissa, not kissa. Qi, qissa. Qissa means story, a story. Yeah, qissa. And one last word with the letter Qaf moved into I. Qi, qindil, qindil. Qindil means two things. A lamp, an old lamp, the one with the oil. Or it also means the jellyfish. Jellyfish, we call it qindil al-bahr. The qindil, the lamp of the sea. Why? Because it looks like this old lamp. The qindil, yeah, that's why it was called qindil al-bahr. The qindil of the sea. Yeah, maybe because it shines or it lights up, like you can see it lighting up under the sea. So that's why it's called qindil al-bahr. It's not that important, the word, but it came up to my mind that because it has the qi sound. I have another word that has a qa, but qa, not qi, which is qasr. Qasr. Qasr means palace. Yeah? Qasr can also sometimes mean castle, but it means palace. Qasr. Qasr. Yeah? Then we have the adjective qasir, which means short. Qasir. So we have a lot of words containing the letter qa. We need just to pronounce it from the back of the throat, just a simple K from the back of the throat, and you're okay. Let me give you some examples of the qa at the ending of the words. The word friend in Arabic is صديق. صديق. You hear it at the ending, it's not that important. And again, the ending, the last letter of any word, it's not so much emphasized. So you can end up making some mistakes there, but nobody will notice. صديق, if you say صديق or صديق, nobody will really notice because we're not stopping there at the ending of the word to guess or to make sure what letter is this. صديق, صديقي, my friend. صديق, صديق, yeah. صندوق, صندوق, which means a box, a container of any kind. That's a can or a container or a box. We call it صندوق, صندوق. Another word with the qaf at the ending doubled is the word حق. حق, it means right. You have the right, yeah. حق, the rights, human rights. We make the plural of the word حق with the word حقوق. حقوق الإنسان. إنسان is human. حقوق الإنسان, the rights of the human being, yeah. حقوق الإنسان. حق and حقوق. You see, it's not that difficult to say حقوق. I think it's more difficult to say حقوق with the K or normal K. حقوق, حق, صديق, قصر, قصة. You will get used to pronouncing these letters, guys. I hope this lesson helps you. Yeah, helps you also gather some more vocabulary and helps you understand that there are some words pronounced with this letter and that we need to pronounce them. Apart from the fact that this letter is never pronounced in the Palestinian Shami dialect. Yeah, we tend to ignore the qa and to exchange everything that's with the qa with the glottal stop. So Al-Quds, Jerusalem, for us it's Al-Quds. Qalb, heart, becomes Qalb. Yeah. Qadim, old, becomes Adim. Everything that's with the qa in the Levantine dialect, especially in particular in the Palestinian dialect, gets transformed with the alternative sound. Qa doesn't exist. It becomes a. But for you, you're learning standard Arabic, we need, and sometimes even us Palestinians, we maintain the letter qa with the words because we're able to pronounce it. We just tend to avoid pronouncing it in more complex letters and that's words, and that's one of the characteristics of one of the first things that I teach in my Palestinian dialect course is that the letter qa is almost inexistent. Yeah, and we alternate and we switch it with just simple sound. Yeah. All right. I hope you like these lessons. If you like them, make sure to like the video, to share it with your friends, to write me a comment below with any requests of any lesson that you want me to do in the future. I'm preparing a Q&A lesson, so make sure to ask me any question you want me to answer in a live video. That would be a live streaming soon on my channel. Make sure to stay updated by subscribing to the channel and turning on the notification bell. We are more than 500,000 beautiful community of people learning Arabic. I'm blessed and honored, and I appreciate so much each and every one of you, and I'm shocked from the number. It's a huge number, but I love it, and that makes me continue wanting to spread out my language and my culture to you. So thank you for the support, and thank you for my patrons. Thank you so much for supporting my program. If you want to become a patron of mine, check my Patreon page. Everything is in the links below. I also am holding online Arabic courses through Zoom. If you want to learn about the prices, the dates, and how to join one of my online Arabic courses, please check the website in the description box below. I'm leaving you everything you can learn, and you can apply. You can learn about the information and details and apply in case you like it. So yeah, that's it from me for now. Thank you for watching, and kiss you. مع السلامة. Bye.